Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, we're exploring the best mini turbojet fan you'll absolutely love using. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Helistar BL02. Let's get started. Product feature. The Helistar BL02 features a high-speed brushless motor reaching wind speeds of 52 meters per second, providing massive 200 W blowing power for instant cleaning. Equipped with dual 5,000 mAh 21700 batteries, this fan offers up to 65 minutes of continuous use, ensuring you can finish any job without stopping to recharge. Charging is a breeze with the Type-C interface supporting 15W Quick Charge protocol, cutting down wait times and keeping your tools ready for your next project. The simple one-button on-off operation makes it incredibly user-friendly, allowing you to clear dust or debris from keyboards and car crevices with total ease. Complementing the lineup, the P30 and X3A models offer staggering rotations of 150,000 and 130,000 RPM respectively for those who need even more intensity. Both the P30 and X3A feature 3-speed adjustable settings plus a continuous mode, letting you perfectly tailor the airflow to your specific cleaning task. Weighing as little as 230 grams, these compact fans include magnetic suction nozzles for easy attachment, making them the ultimate portable tool for home or travel. Pros. You will love how these fans make difficult chores feel completely effortless. The Helistar's long battery life means you can detail your entire car or tidy your workshop in one go without worry. Its low-noise operation keeps your home peaceful while you work. Plus, the lightweight design of the P30 and X3A ensures your hands won't get tired during deep cleaning or clearing snow. Cons. While the quick charging is a lifesaver, keep in mind that using the highest power settings will naturally drain the battery faster than the lower modes. Also, because these fans are so powerful and compact, they may become slightly warm to the touch during very long, heavy-duty sessions. Final thoughts. Imagine having a tool that handles everything from delicate computer dust to outdoor fires with such grace. These fans aren't just gadgets, they are tiny powerhouses that simplify your life and save you precious time. You deserve a cleaning companion that is as hardworking and reliable as you are. Investing in this kind of quality brings a real sense of satisfaction to every task. This little tool is a total game changer for your daily routine. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Tech Kingo and like this video.